Good morning. It is 8:07. We got to our island around 7. They made the announcement this morning. But yeah. So we're gonna go eat breakfast and then we're just gonna go to the island. I told my parents that I'll be at breakfast at 8:30. So yeah. I'm tired as fuck. Lord. I'm gonna shower quick. And then I'm gonna go. So. Period.
I'm brushing my teeth in the shower.
I just think it's because I never wear it. So it looks a little awkward. But I'm gonna wear my hat. I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really fit my head too, but we're just gonna fucking wear it and go with it. Okay, let's go. Take a more shower. Here we is. This is our last stop in Mexico. But period. Good thing it's a little sunny today. I think it's just a little early still, so the sun has come out. But I wore my hat today, so I was like, if this shit ain't fucking sunny, like, it'd be awkward as fuck you just wearing this fucking hat out here. But at least it's sunny, so that's good. But hopefully my parents are already by the steps, or by the elevator, so we could just get to eating and then leave. Look, when you want to lose your chocolate. Let's not go to there. Yeah. So I'm hopefully they already there waiting for me, because usually I'm here first. But okay. Aku nak cakap ni. Cepat kali. Dia memang stress. Look at my fucking. Oh my gosh. This stupid fucking hat fucked me up. I know. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go fucking. Let me put this fucking hat back on. What the fuck? Okay, this fucking hat fucked me up. My hair looks fucking crusty now. So, good morning. No, thank you. Thank you though. This is my breakfast. This is my mother's breakfast. This place is fucking huge as hell. Holy shit. I'm a little shook because I thought these are all just fucking islands, but these are not islands. They're fucking huge as hell. So, my mother and my father. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, hell no. This hat got me a little fucked, but it's okay. Hello, we are at Acapulco. 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 Polco. I keep messing it up. So, but we are here. This one's okay. Yeah. Pero không còn nữa. Uh-huh. Sao như thế nữa? Phải tìm một thay hết nè, là nè. Có đi mua. We is walking around. Nghe sao mà? It's such a nice sunny day. It's good weather. This is Acapulco. We're just walking around because we don't really know what's up in this city. But it's more like a city vibe. Gives you like a LA vibe. It's warm. It's sunny. It's hot. It's like me. But we is here just vibing. So yeah, we don't really know what to do here. Because again, I don't know. Because previously there's a lot of islands that we go to on Norwegian. So these are more cities, which we don't really know what the fuck to do in cities because you have to like go into the city to get turned, so yeah. It is now 10:35 in Acapulco and Acapulco. So we have walked not that far. So the cruise ship is just right there. But we've just been walking around, so now we're here. But it's a nice sunny day out here. I feel like I'm in a musical. Oh, that's a fire drop. I know. China, good to you. Tao không tuôn xin nữa đâu không qua luôn mong chỉ mình cô gì kia này tất cả chỉ mua nó chỉ biết tất cả chỉ thay đổi bên đó bà đi cái xin mà nó tới chỉ tao rồi thế nên người ta sắp xếp gần đấy. This is Acapulco. Trong này cái tôi bao lâu gì na? Chỉ cho cái thay cây cho cái họ xin na.
Nó của lão na của trong xe hơn.
Cái trong xe lúc đó có nôn nổi một face rồi.
Lúc nào của cháu của tụi mình tu thì của tụi tháo với tôi shipper à. Mẹ cắt té à.
Mẹ cắt té lo. We're just walking in the streets. These are very city areas, so we just keep walking around. Hai nhá rong, tại sao nói ý mong mùi là cô này cô chỉ biết là có phòng miễn phí, đó họ có chuyện rằng là ít cho về rồi chỉ là toàn cô xứ, từ đó là ta chế bây giờ mua nó lunch, đó họ lấy tao là cái soup, sau bây giờ mua nó là cái soup. Còn đây là anh trai đó, hoặc là anh trai được bé mong nữa. Vậy bé mua sò, nó mò sò bự cho tới. Vậy bé được ra mong lắm mới có sò, chỉ bé mua sai là sò. Đó luôn. Bé mua sai là sò luôn. Chị, đây bé ở chỉ nó nữa, bé được sống thôi. Yes, this is Acapulco. I keep saying it wrong. Yes, very chill vibe city. So Hi, it is now 1:39 and we are going back to our ship. Acapulco. Teka muna. Pila sa dota. Có anh sẽ ta. Có sẽ ta là. Teka mo biết cái. Biết sao mua. It was pretty nice here. It was pretty chill. I really enjoy being off the island. I think because one, internet, and then two, I think it's just like nicer too because you gotta explore more. Like compared to the boat, compared to the ship, because you just sit there and like there's the water. It's still pretty, but like you know it's the same view. So it's nice being able to walk around here. I'm going from the 14th floor. I mean, from the 4th floor all the way up to the 16th. And I'm fucking tired. Shut the damn up. Shut this. Go down. 12 flights of fucking stairs. Oh my gosh! What the fuck? No. Shut it. Okay. And I is back. It is 2:20 right now. This is my food. This is my food, y'all. I'm so ready to munch on this shit. I'm so hungry. China, good tayo. Oh, chả đi đó thăm bảo.
Burger, hot dog.
Thì cô này tayo, cô này tayo Asialis na.
nó rau ngon ông nó sống ngay nó liền
Nó mới là ngay ở xa.
làm cao ló giờ vẫn nó
Là.
Sống ngay nè.
Kaya siya ko niya. Oh, ito siya nga dias mo. Siya makala. Okay. Sana hình chong ta xin nó lỡ tỏ lỡ nó mỗi bé là khó mình gì ta chơi lỡ nó mỗi li bé lỡ chứ mà cái của trái điểm long cho của đây là hào to qua cái bao tiền của khí của cho qua na cái chuyện đó là chơi lỡ sao sợ cái bao tiền của tôi chỉ lo tên này mà móc cái từ tía li cái gì của nó một của trái sườn cho, của lại của trái niệm long là, như của mua rau cho, mua rau sao, có bao nhiêu cái nó sẽ xếp trong lại luôn của, ai or the crate usually, là xin or súp nữa là nè tia, nè tia cứ xài đi, là cái tia cũng mua nó rong lo, nè tia và ta nữa tôi mua xe của tôi là cũng mua, cái tia có bao nhiêu nè tia, I think là tia nó virtual, so là gì. Nung ít sớm mong, cho tôi okay. Yeah, some eat now, so bye. Cô nè thiết cô mua ngã không sẵn giao là nó nè, cứ nó mở ta là bộ cô nó mở ta, cái gì cô nè tay chỉ sáu ta là khó cô, nó chỉ tàu chỉ mà ngã không sẵn giao là sẵn giao cái xe bạc ta. Cho nên nhưng mà trong một thôi chết nào. Ooh, this looks good. And now join the car. Oh, could you want strawberry, huh? Yeah, come on, let's go. That peach. Oh, y'all more. I don't think they have any. Oh. Okay, this is Acapulco. When I wake up, we'll be back on the water. So, bye Acapulco. See you Acapulco. But yeah. It is now 3:21. My parents are still on the observation deck. But I'm gonna go back to my room so I can take a nap. Cause now you need to get my daily nap. I'm fucking tired. So this is the road to my room. 3:23, January 11th, day 6. Oh no. Like no. Oh. She not. She look up now. Oh, it's young. Oh, there's another two towel. Okay. Back in my room, here to take a fucking nap. So, good night. Hi, it is now 6:37, and I'm gonna go to the hypnotist. So, here it goes. Hi, it is now 6:52.
Bây giờ chị đây nếu mà show mình biết rồi
Bây giờ sẽ là từ hypnotist.
cái gì không có chị nữa nè
Một là bé tôi sẽ là của chị.
hypnotist
我说还是
Hypnotist. I share. Là thời gian lên ghế nhau nó mình trong nó. And then we're gonna go to dinner after this. And that's really about it tonight. Để thích cái gì nữa. Chỗ tao lo. Cái chỉ sản nó ngay là cái mì đầy là.
nó không cái
Tao đi.
cái thứ 8 bộ nữa không có nó
Tao mua cá.
đúng rồi
Anh đẹp cá. So worth it. Worth cái lúp la to. Ồ, lột khử nữa. Thì cũng nói sẽ bạc cá heo. Đi cũng sai nữa. Nhớ rằng bé tỏ. Lại cơ đầu của tưởng gái khó khăn nồng một trái bên trong tôi của trái pla. Ha 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 ha. Đây là. Ha ha. Đây là. Cũng ra chị này. Đi vào trong tôi nè. Đi vào trong tôi còn tí chị ôn tí nó orange. I'm getting some orange. Let me snatch the oranges. You're too fucking fancy for me. I'll just grab the shit. Okay. Pala. We go. I got my oranges. So we're gonna go explore now. I'm taking these for tonight because my ass gonna be fucking me a snack. So it's okay, Mula. Well, you're cute. Baby Mula, baby Mushi, baby Mu, Nama, Tala. Thank you. Baby Mula, Katune. My parents are so good at ping pong. Biết là play ping pong nè. Wow. You're so good. Oh. Wow. Ô, mặc cái gì rồi. I know. Ooh. Y'all, it's hot up here. It's like 80 degrees. Oh, yo. Xin lỗi chả. Nhớ rằng đã nói cho một lần lâu quá tỏi một bữa bên nào cũng phải chat star đó chị nếu có chỉ show tao chỉ nhỏ chỉ qua tới cũng một bữa đó là chẳng một thao kế chỉ qua tới cũng chỉ sáu thao kế gì rồi có một bữa sức so yep so fucking hot though y'all. I'm gonna go shower. It's so fucking sweaty. Oh my gosh, remember my fucking good shorts too. Bruh. Come on, fucking shit. See, this is why I get annoyed with these elevators though, cause okay, there, it's working. Yeah, y'all, I'm so fucking tired. I'm gonna go watch The Alchemy of Souls, the final episode, cause I downloaded the 2 last episodes so I could watch them, cause they already came out like 4-ish days ago. But love will fly. Lo mình chỉ thở vô thôi. Chúng ta I look good, that's all that matters. So I'm gonna go to sleep. Today is the end of day 6. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes. So tomorrow will be day 7. It'll be almost halfway through the trip already. So y'all, this is going by too fucking fast. Like what the fuck? This is going back too quick. I'm sure good. But yeah, oh, I'm so fucking tired. I can't wait to take a shower though. My ass is fucking stinky. Oh, okay. But yeah, we good. So, but yeah. Hi. Hello, it is now 12:15. I realized I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go to the local and get some chicken wings, and then maybe a little entree too. And then I'm gonna fill my water bottle because I'm also thirsty. So, yep. Which is perfect though, because the local is also on the side of where my parents are. So I think I'm gonna go fill my water bottle first, and then go eat, just so that I could just come straight back to bed after. So. Yeah, 12:16 right now. Thursday, January 12th. Hi, I'm here. I'm getting the beef chili and a cheeseburger, but I'm here watching my I Told Sunset About You episode that I download 4 and 5. My food came out. My cheeseburger and my chili with chips. Let me do the big view. Ooh, yummy. I like my good night meal. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. It is 12:45. I just got done eating. My burgers were a little too fucking rare for me. So I didn't really finish it. Well, I ate most of it. I left like a fourth. But I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm not joking. Pull over. Those chips are good though, the chili and chips. Those are good. But yeah, so this is the end of my night. Technically now day 7, but end of day 6, January 12th. Now, but January 11th. Yeah, have a good night. I shall see you all tomorrow.